Welcome to guys. Today we discuss Standard 10 CBSC map solution. Total 5 marks for map in Standard 10 CBSC. First of all, we discuss iron ore places. Durgapur located at Chhattisgarh, Mayurganj located in Odisha, Bhilai Beladila located in Chhattisgarh, Belaru located in Karnataka, and Kudarmukh also located in Karnataka. Oil field Digboi located at Assam, Naharkatia is also located at Assam, Ankleshwar located at Gujarat, Kalol also located at Gujarat, and Basin and Mumbai High located at Arabian Sea. Congress session history map. Nagpur session in 1920 and Calcutta session in 1929. Calcutta session in December. Then Madras in 1927 located at Tamil Nadu. Center of India National Movement are located at Amritsar, Punjab, Chorachori in Uttar Pradesh, Champaran in Bihar. Ahmedabad, Kheda or Dandi located at Gujarat. Then we discuss the dam. Salal Dam located at Jammu, Kashmir. Bhakranagar located at Punjab or Himachal Pradesh border. Tehri Dam located at Uttarakhand. Rana Pratap Sagar Dam located at Rajasthan. Sardar Sarovar Dam located at Gujarat. Hirakund Dam located at Odisha. Naga Arjun Sagar Dam located at Telangana, and Tungabhadra Dam located at Karnataka. Then we discuss the nuclear power plant. Narora located at Uttar Pradesh, Kakrapa located at Gujarat, Tarapur located at Maharashtra, Mumbai, and Kalpakam located at Tamil Nadu. Then also we discuss the thermal power plant. Namrup that are located at Assam, Singrauli located at Madhya Pradesh, Ramangundam located at Telangana are most important thermal power plant. Cotton textile industry, Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh, Surat, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, Mumbai at Maharashtra, and Coimbatore at Tamil Nadu located. Then we discuss iron and steel plant. Bokaro at Jharkhand, Durgapur is West Bengal, Jamshedpur at also Jharkhand, and Bhilai at Chhattisgarh. કર્ણાટકામાં જોઈએ તો વિજયનગર અને સેલમ એટ તમિલનાડુ. ફાઇનલી સોફ્ટવેર ટેકનોલોજી પાર્ક નોઈડા એટ ઉત્તર પ્રદેશ, ગાંધીનગર ગુજરાત, મુંબઈ મહારાષ્ટ્ર, પુણે એટ મહારાષ્ટ્ર, હૈદરાબાદ located at Telangana, Chennai located at Tamil Nadu, Bengaluru at located at Karnataka, Thiruvananthapuram located at Kerala, major port Kandla. Kandla port are located at Kutch region Gujarat, Mumbai, Haldia port at West Bengal, Paradip port at Odisha, Visakhapatnam at Andhra Pradesh, Chennai port are located at Tamil Nadu, Tuticorin also Tamil Nadu, Kochi at Kerala, New Mangaluru at Karnataka, Marmagova at Goa, located our seaport. International Airport, Raja Chache at Punjab, Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport at Mumbai, Maharashtra, Rajiv Gandhi, Telangana, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, West Bengal, Minambakam are located at Tamil Nadu, and Tiruvananthapuram located at Kerala. Coal mining, Bokaro, Raniganj, Bokaro are located at Jharkhand, Raniganj located at West Bengal, Telchar located at Odisha, and Neyveli located at Tamil Nadu. Then soil type, green color located for forest and mountain soil, alluvial soil mostly located in northern plain, black soil are located at Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat, red and yellow soil located in south and eastern part of India, laterite soil are located in western Ghat, and arid soil are located at Rajasthan. You get complete 5 marks to complete this video with that specific place destination. All the best of luck for board exam. Thank you for watching our video.